हाँ
मतलब
like
न्यू नॉर्मल है.
हाँ, like if you refer me to Meta 2 3 times and I failed the first time, I want to get it to the second time at least.
Of
That's the thing.
everyone would, yeah. Anyone would. I am also like, I would also,
Did you get
be
Metal Lantern first time? First time.
sorry.
Did you get into Metal Lantern first time?
Yeah, yeah. Last time I was able to clear, fortunately. This
Mhm,
time now, last time when I was that time I was working with Gaurav also, and that company of ours
mhm,
was actually booming. So I then dropped going to London that time.
mhm,
I can actually show you Bloomberg Kabi, where Bloomberg may I
mhm,
actually said no on my mom's birthday.
mhm.
Wait, if you want, let me just try to find that out. If I'm able to, I would show it to you. अगर वो मेल होगा मेरे पास तो. Hmm.
Oh, and one more thing.
Hmm.
The get SDD का web development का classes start हो रहा है. So I
हाँ,
talked with Rishabh. I'm going to enroll for that. Now I'm way ahead of the class, obviously, because मैं तो एक साल से कर रहा हूँ.
right.
So I need basically the project experience, like so I can. Who's going to teach the class?
Raj and me.
Oh, you will be there, right? So I can talk to you directly, right?
Yeah,
I can
you can
discuss
talk.
my projects too.
Yeah, yeah, you can. You can.
Okay.
Raj, just to tell you, Raj is better than me in front
Hmm.
end actually. So you should contact Raj for front end.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Basically क्या होता है ना आजकल तो like if I'm working on front end तो LLMs बना ही देता है front end आराम से.
हाँ, वो तो है ही.
हाँ. Then the new DeepSeek thing came out and US market is
बेस्ट है
falling.
ना, वो तो बेस्ट है ना. Did you see my post yesterday on
Yes, I
LinkedIn?
saw it. I saw it. I saw it.
पहले ये था कि गूगल ओ सॉरी चाइनीज ले ले रहे हैं. देन ऑल ऑफ अ सडन.
The funny thing is how OpenAI is filing a lawsuit against them. Like they're claiming they're taking data out of them illegally.
ओ इज इट?
Which is not true. They don't know for sure. They're just claiming it.
पता नहीं यार, कुछ भी होता रहता है. एक सेकेंड.
I
Hmm.
mean, generally, how many days will the interview happen?
Yeah, again, depends on you because the place or the position at which you guys are, interview scheduling would not take much time, to be honest.
Not scheduling. I'm asking like from the day when the first interview happens to the final interview, how many days will it happen?
Yeah, again, dependent on you, आप कितनी बड़ी timeline देते हो. Because they
Oh,
actually. So
okay, okay.
I'll show you my Bloomberg car. So I was basically on foot. If you see 2022, mein Bloomberg I didn't even appear. So
Hmm.
this process of mine started where they reached out that I have noticed that you haven't booked your interview with us and wanted to check if you have received our previous email. So I had received the previous email, but I had to say I'm not well, I'm hospital, blah blah blah,
Hmm.
and then I didn't never replied,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So this thing also, I just wanted to tell you that this thing also happens actually, where
Hmm.
sometimes you let go of the opportunity and you have to sometimes. You have to.
Did you like forget or did you get into Atlassian back then already?
No, I was in a class. I was working with Atlassian since 2020. I
Oh, so basically you had the opportunity. Oh, obviously.
yeah. तो मैं तो fresher ही था ना जब Atlassian hired me. I was straight out of college into Atlassian.
And Bloomberg was hiding क्या बाहर? Like US और UK में hire कर रहा था ये?
So UK, of course, Bloomberg hires all the time for UK.
अच्छा, अच्छा, अच्छा.
That's when in 1.5 year, na, I wanted to. So UK is my dream place. Very honestly, I wanted to
Yes.
go to
Mine
UK.
too, mine too, mine too.
Yeah.
Yes.
So अगर कुछ नहीं भी हो पाया ना कभी, so I would spend my money and I would live there for a month just to see what UK is, how
Hmm.
London people operate इस तरीके से, and then I would come back.
Hmm.
तो लंदन पे मुझे एक बार तो जाना था. That's when I applied, and that time I was 22-year old,
Hmm.
uh, 22, 23, somewhere around that age.
Hmm.
So I applied at that time. I was working with again गौरव के साथ भी मैं काम कर रहा था. So that's when I was like कि नहीं यार, I can't really do it. at this moment, so मैं कुछ बहाना बना के रोक देता हूँ. So ये, and secondly मेरी फैमिली में भी बातचीत ऐसे चल रही थी कि यार इतने सारे कैसे संभाल पाएगा, how would you be able to handle it, ये वो. That's when we were like, okay, let's drop the idea of interview also for Bloomberg. But yeah, Bloomberg is good also. If you want to, na, you should go.
हाँ तो obviously that's the thing.
चलो let's start. हम लोग
I have so many friends working in London, no, and Heathrow mostly.
ओह अच्छा, नाइस है यार.
हाँ मैं ही पीछे पड़ा हूँ.
अरे कुछ नहीं पीछे. Let us see. What do you think? Should we pick this question, binary tree paths?
हाँ let's do it. चलो. It's on LinkedIn, right? I'm not putting it.
Sorry?
It's on LinkedIn, right? हाँ it's a lead code. LinkedIn बोल रहा हूँ, lead code, sorry, my bad.
हाँ lead code, हाँ. देख, अरे ये तो इजी प्रॉब्लम है. ओके ये तो हो ही जाएगा. अगला चलते हैं. ओके लीफ, ये कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. लीफ नोड्स फ्रॉम प्री ऑर्डर ऑफ अ बाइनरी सर्च ट्री. Okay, given an array, construct a binary search tree from pre-order traversal. अच्छा, BST तो बन ही जाएगा ना? Do you know how?
How else?
So if you're given pre-order of a tree, of a binary search tree, BST, that just that, how would you construct the tree back? Think.
Let me think. What was it? Pre-order. I don't. Can you repeat the question, please?
Just read this question.
I opened it. Basically, we have to consider the left and right two subtrees, right?
Yeah, both of them. We have to construct the full subtree, full tree. You're given this pre-order, you're given this array. अभी इससे BST बनाओ. ये क्वेश्चन में. जनरली अगर प्री ऑर्डर और पोस्ट ऑर्डर दिया हो, देन यू कैन बिल्ड अ ट्री, राइट? मतलब दो दिए होने चाहिए, राइट? दो ट्रैवर्सल्स होने चाहिए, राइट? तो पर अभी तो इसने तो एक ही दिया है. हाउ वुड यू
कैन यू लिंक द प्रॉब्लम प्लीज? अच्छा, what's the problem number? I'm searching it on lead code.
100.
108, okay.
First, we'll create node for 8, which is the first index of the array.
Okay.
And then we'll have to find the maximum element which is less than 8 in the rest of the array.
Okay, which is going to be 12 here.
7, like which is less than 8.
Okay.
So this will be my left side array, and the 10 and 12 will be my right side array. I'll call this recursively.
This would not work actually. Because
it is BST, no, so it should work, right?
So BST hai, so why can't you use another property of a BST? Which is what? In order of a BST is a sorted array. Yes or no?
Yes.
So sort this pre-order, you would get the in order.
Yeah, we can do that also.
Right? So now you have got two arrays, pre-order and in order.
Oh, basically pre-order traversal. अच्छा ठीक है.
अब तो pre-order और in-order दो traversal मिल गए आपको.
हाँ, तो मिल गया.
Exactly. Right?
गधा हूँ.
Yes.
तो चलो let's do it. एक बार complete कर लेते हैं ये problem को भी. So vector I took one in order वाला.
Mhm.
Then I pushed all the elements from pre-order to in-order also, and then sorted this array.
Mhm.
So now what we have to do is we are given so हमने in order भेजा, in order का starting element और ending element भेजा,
Mhm.
ऐसे प्री ऑर्डर भेजा and starting and ending index भेज दिया, right? Now what we'll do is if your b is lesser than a and d is lesser than c, which means this is a null node.
Mhm.
Now you know the root, right? So in a in order जहाँ पे ऑफ कोर्स रूट सेंटर में होगा कहीं ना कहीं, क्योंकि उसके लेफ्ट में सारे छोटे एलिमेंट्स होंगे विच वुड बी द लेफ्ट सब ट्री, एंड राइट में सारे सारे बड़े एलिमेंट्स होंगे, राइट?
Yes.
एंड प्री ऑर्डर में हमेशा ही व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू, प्री ऑर्डर का फर्स्ट, बेसिकली प्री ऑर्डर का सी is going to be the root of the tree, yes or no?
Hmm.
Because pre-order is root left and right, right?
हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक है.
है
Then,
ना?
then we can use upper bound to ensure that we don't insert the inverted, right?
Sorry, come again?
Basically, then we can use the upper bound, right? To
हाँ.
ensure that. ठीक है.
So this is basically so pre-order of C.
Okay.
Now what we have to do is we have to find where this first element is present in my in order so that I can check my left wala ka size and right wale ka size, right? Index plus plus. If in order of index is equals to, then we break. Perfect है? Now we are able to find, yes or no?
Mhm.
In order में कहाँ पे है ये वाला 8 कहाँ मिलेगा इन ऑर्डर में, राइट? जैसे अभी आप नाउ इस अच्छा लेट्स से यू ओनली हैव प्री ऑर्डर, सो हाउ डू यू नो till what point is available in the left part and till what point is available in the right part? How would you know that?
Tell me,
मतलब-
एक और बार repeat, please.
So now you have to construct the left subtree also and right subtree also.
The left side is smaller than the current node, right?
हाँ, right.
हाँ.
तो how would you find that out कि कितना लेंथ तक लूं मैं यहाँ पे? Till what length should I take? वो that you will have to find from the in order ना,
Okay.
because in order
Yes.
के left में, so in order इसका कैसा दिखेगा? Let's write it down.
1 5 7 8
8 5 1
8517.
7. अभी आई एम राइटिंग द प्री ऑर्डर, ठीक है?
Hmm.
इसका इन ऑर्डर होगा 1 5 7 8 10
12.
12. नाउ
Yep.
इफ यू फाइंड आउट 8 यहाँ पे मिल गया आपको, तो
Hmm.
ये सारा फॉर श्योर लेफ्ट सब ट्री है
Hmm.
एंड ये सारा फॉर श्योर राइट सब ट्री है, बिकॉज इन ऑर्डर में लेफ्ट रूट राइट इस तरीके प्रिंट होता है, राइट?
yes yes
तो रूट के लेफ्ट में तो ये सारा लेफ्ट सब ट्री होगा, यस और नो?
Okay.
यस और नो?
हाँ. Yes, 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 yes.
सो एंड प्री ऑर्डर में क्या होता है? रूट लेफ्ट,
Hmm.
यहाँ पे सारा लेफ्ट सब ट्री एंड देन राइट सब ट्री होगा. तो फ्रॉम हियर डोंट यू थिंक यू आर
Yes,
एबल
yes,
टू
yes,
फाइंड आउट
yes,
कि
yes, yes.
3 एलिमेंट्स आर अपीयरिंग इन द लेफ्ट सब ट्री? सो प्री ऑर्डर में भी नेक्स्ट 3 एलिमेंट्स आर गोइंग टू बी लेफ्ट सब ट्री, राइट?
Yes, yes, yes.
एंड
Basically, we have to make sure that the elements don't belong to the left subtree. Basically.
या सो नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज रूट का लेफ्ट इज इक्वल्स टू हेल्पर, इसमें सारा लेफ्ट का पार्ट जाएगा. सो इन ऑर्डर a, so first starting index is going to be a here, ending index is going to be what? Index minus 1.
Index minus 1. Yeah.
ठीक है?
Hmm.
Now you have to send pre-order. Pre-order में starting index is going to be c plus 1 and ending index is going to be c plus इधर पे लेफ्ट का साइज कितना है, राइट? सो c plus, how do we calculate the size? This is index, so and your a is here, so index minus a, right?
Hmm.
Same way is root ka right is equals to, just give me 1 second, my mom is calling. हाँ, so right hand side वाला, what would be the right hand side? Helper. इसमें in order, so start would be index plus 1, ending would be at B, then you have to send pre-order, then this was the end for pre-order का left वाला. What would be the starting point? Starting point would be this, right? Which is what? C plus index minus A plus 1, and ending would be D here. And then you can finally return root. Okay.
Oh, okay.
And now let's run it. Okay. 23.
Step by step construction में ध्यान देना पड़ेगा.
Okay. Addition of unsigned offset. Okay. कहाँ पे हम गलत कर रहे हैं? Perfect.
I got the approach. I have to solve it on my own एकदम बैठ के.
सही है. Passed.
It's a
Okay.
good problem. It's a very good problem.
Yeah. So this is also done now. Which one should we pick next? Should we pick this one? Or is
Yeah,
it?
anyone.
Okay, let's pick this one then. Given the root of a binary, return the minimum difference between the values of any two different nodes in the tree. Any two different, फिर तो one ही होगा हमेशा. Root of a binary tree, return the minimum difference between values of any two different nodes. दो अलग अलग नोड हैं. One. Okay, लिखा भी one ही हुआ. Let's run it. Okay, accepted.
Wow.
Wrong answer. Where the returning 6? 27
It
है.
is values 34 minus 27 is
30%.
Oh, अच्छा. So they're asking us to find. Okay. तो बेसिकली बीएसटी दिया हुआ इन ऑर्डर निकाल लो. इनिशियल टू उसमें निकाल लो फिर तो, मतलब डिफरेंस कॉन्जिक्यूटिव में निकाल लो फिर तो. इसमें खाली इन ऑर्डर ही तो निकालना है. इन ऑर्डर वुड गिव यू अ सॉर्टेड एरे, राइट?
Yep.
तो कोई भी दो कंसेक्यूटिव में देखते रहो, राइट? ये तो सॉल्वेबल है. इसको कर लेते जल्दी से. चलो इन ऑर्डर. root equals null, then you have to return. First of all, in order root का left comma v
Minimum difference would be 1. Yes.
hmm, v dot push back
Oh,
hmm,
acha.
root का val, then in order root का right comma v and then simply return. Perfect है. यहाँ पे vector int v in order root comma v answer equals to int underscore max int I equals to 1 comma I lesser than v dot size comma I plus plus answer equals to minimum of answer comma v of I minus return answer. Hmm, perfect है I think.
Acha, this was an easy sum, that's why.
हाँ हो गया सॉल्व हो गया है तो
Okay.
बिकॉज इसमें लॉजिक वही है ना कि इन ऑर्डर आपको सॉर्टेड दे देगा
Hmm.
और फिर कॉन्सिक्यूटिव के बीच में ही तो वो होगा ना मिनिमम
Hmm.
राइट. चलो आई थिंक दैट इज इट. नाउ वी आर टाइम बट वी डिड good practice today. New
Ah, we
concept.
solved everything. We solved everything.
Two new concepts we did, na?
Mhm.
Yes, yes.
Okay, guys. I'll see you.
Chalo, I don't know. Like, I'm telling this to a friend, I'm going to disturb you for the next 5 months. Reference and reference.
Hey, why not? It is not disturbing.